Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a SharePoint in a dashboard in SoftTools. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to your SharePoint. This is just a generic one from a template I created. You're going to want to go up into your URL and you're going to want to copy it. Now, where you want people to see your SharePoint initially when they log in is where you need to copy the URL from. So for example, say I want them to see the training, you need to copy it from here. Or say I want them to go to the onboarding checklist, copy it from here, but I want to go from home. So from that, I'm just going to use this part of the URL here, copy that, and then I'm going to go into our App Studio for the site we want the dashboard in. And we're going to go to Dashboards, and then we're going to click Add down here. We're going to name our dashboard SharePoint, or you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to make this a 1x1 and a global dashboard. And then at the bottom here, I'm going to select the tab at the end. This is going to be our iframe tab. And you just need to paste in what we have here. After that, you're going to want to set your width and your height. I'm going to do 1000 by 1200, as I think it's quite a wide screen I'm going to be using this on. I'm going to center a line, I'm going to make a transparent background, and I'm going to hide the title. Once this is all done, I can then click Save. Once this is saved, I can go to Home Pages, Add Again, and again I'm going to add SharePoint. Once I've added SharePoint, I'm just going to click this tab here. This is our dashboard tab. And I'm going to select the dashboard I just created here. Once I've done that, I'm going to save. Once I've saved, I'm going to go back to my site and I'm just going to log out. So because this is a new home page, I just need to log out and back in again. So I've logged back in. Now I've logged back in, I can go down to the bottom here where it says SharePoint. And then you should be able to see your SharePoint from here. Any questions, do leave a comment on the video or on the community post, and yeah, let me know.